Imagine owning a plant that can survive weeks without water, thrive in low light, and still look stunning all year long. Sounds too good to be true, right? Meet the ZZ plant, one of the toughest and most beautiful houseplants in the world. While many indoor plants demand constant attention, the ZZ plant quietly grows and flourishes with very little effort. That's why it's become a favorite among beginners, busy professionals, and plant enthusiasts alike. But its appeal goes far beyond being easy to care for. From improving your indoor environment to enhancing your home's style, this remarkable plant offers benefits that might surprise you. Stay with us as we reveal 10 incredible reasons why the ZZ plant deserves a place in your home today. By the end of this video, you'll probably want one immediately. Number 1. Extremely low maintenance. One of the biggest reasons people love the ZZ plant is its incredibly low-maintenance nature. Unlike many houseplants that require frequent watering, pruning, and constant monitoring, the ZZ plant thrives with minimal care. Its thick stems and underground rhizomes store water efficiently, allowing it to survive even when watering is occasionally forgotten. This makes it perfect for busy homeowners, students, office workers, or anyone who doesn't have much time to dedicate to plant care. The ZZ plant doesn't demand special fertilizers or complicated routines. Simply place it in a suitable location and water it occasionally. Even plant beginners who have struggled to keep other plants alive often find success with a ZZ plant. It's a forgiving, resilient plant that continues to look healthy and beautiful despite occasional neglect. Number 2. Thrives in low-light conditions. Finding a beautiful plant that can tolerate low-light spaces is often challenging, but the ZZ plant excels in these conditions. It naturally adapts to areas with limited sunlight, making it ideal for apartments, offices, hallways, bedrooms, and other indoor locations where natural light is scarce. While it appreciates bright, indirect light, it can continue growing and maintaining its lush appearance even in darker corners of your home. This adaptability makes it one of the most versatile indoor plants available today. You don't need large windows or a sun-filled room to enjoy its beauty. Many people choose ZZ plants specifically because they can bring greenery into spaces where other plants would struggle. Its ability to flourish in low light makes decorating indoor environments easier and more enjoyable. Number 3. Helps improve indoor air quality. The ZZ plant does more than simply beautify your home. It can also contribute to a fresher indoor environment. Like many green plants, it participates in natural air purification processes by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Its broad, glossy leaves also help trap dust particles from the surrounding air. While no single plant can completely transform indoor air quality, adding plants like the ZZ plant can contribute to a cleaner and more pleasant atmosphere. This benefit becomes especially valuable in homes and offices where people spend long hours indoors. Beyond the physical benefits, having living greenery around can create a sense of freshness and connection to nature. The ZZ plant offers a simple way to make indoor spaces feel healthier, more vibrant, and more welcoming every day. Number 4. Highly drought-tolerant. If you've ever worried about forgetting to water your plants, the ZZ plant may be your perfect solution. One of its most impressive features is its exceptional drought tolerance. Beneath the soil, the plant stores water inside thick rhizomes that act like natural reservoirs. These underground structures allow the plant to survive long periods without watering. Whether you're busy with work, traveling, or simply forgetful, the ZZ plant remains surprisingly resilient. In many cases, overwatering poses a greater threat than underwatering. This unique ability makes it ideal for people with unpredictable schedules. Even during warm seasons, the plant can continue looking healthy with only occasional watering. Its drought resistance provides peace of mind and reduces the stress often associated with caring for indoor plants. 5. Adds instant style and elegance. The ZZ plant is often chosen not only for its toughness, but also for its striking appearance. Its deep green, glossy leaves grow in graceful rows along upright stems, creating a sculptural and sophisticated look. Interior designers frequently use ZZ plants to add elegance and modern style to homes, offices, hotels, and commercial spaces. Whether placed in a decorative floor pot or displayed on a tabletop, the plant instantly enhances its surroundings. Its clean lines and polished appearance complement nearly every decorating style, from minimalist and contemporary to traditional and luxurious. Unlike many decorative items that eventually go out of fashion, the ZZ plant offers timeless beauty. It serves as both a living plant and a natural design feature within your space. 6. Slow growth means less maintenance. Some houseplants grow so quickly that they constantly need larger pots, trimming, and extra care. The ZZ plant, however, grows at a slower and more manageable pace. This characteristic is a major advantage for indoor gardeners who want a beautiful plant without frequent maintenance. Because it grows gradually, you won't need to repot it often, and it rarely becomes overwhelming in size. This makes it ideal for apartments, offices, and smaller living spaces where room may be limited. The slow growth also means the plant maintains its attractive shape for long periods. Instead of constantly managing rapid growth, you can simply enjoy its beauty. For busy plant owners, the ZZ plant's steady, controlled growth is one of its most practical and appreciated benefits. 7. Naturally resistant to many pests. Plant owners often struggle with pests such as spider mites, aphids, fungus gnats, and mealybugs. Fortunately, the ZZ plant is known for being relatively resistant to many common houseplant pests. Its thick, waxy leaves and sturdy structure make it less attractive to insects compared to more delicate plants. While no plant is completely immune to pest problems, the ZZ plant generally experiences fewer issues when properly cared for. This means less time spent treating infestations and more time enjoying your plant. Its natural resilience makes it especially appealing for beginners who may not yet know how to handle pest outbreaks. A healthy ZZ plant can remain beautiful and problem-free for years, making it one of the most dependable indoor plants available. 8. Perfect for offices and workspaces. The ZZ plant has become a favorite choice for offices around the world, and it's easy to understand why. Office environments often have artificial lighting, fluctuating temperatures, and inconsistent watering schedules. Fortunately, the ZZ plant handles these conditions exceptionally well. Its ability to thrive with limited light and minimal care makes it ideal for desks, reception areas, meeting rooms, and shared workspaces. Beyond practicality, the plant also adds a touch of natural beauty that can make professional environments feel more inviting. Seeing greenery throughout the workday can help create a calmer and more pleasant atmosphere. Whether you're working from home or in a corporate office, a ZZ plant offers a simple way to bring life and visual appeal into your workspace. 9. Beautiful all year long. Unlike flowering plants that provide seasonal bursts of color, the ZZ plant delivers consistent beauty throughout the entire year. Its glossy emerald green leaves remain attractive regardless of the season. There are no flowers to fade and no dramatic periods of decline. As long as basic care needs are met, the plant maintains its lush appearance month after month. This reliability makes it a valuable decorative feature for homes and offices alike. Whether it's summer, winter, spring, or fall, the ZZ plant continues to look fresh and healthy. Its evergreen nature provides constant visual interest and helps indoor spaces feel vibrant even when outdoor gardens may not be thriving. Few houseplants offer such dependable year-round beauty with so little effort. 10. Ideal for beginner plant owners. For people just beginning their plant journey, few choices are better than the ZZ plant. It combines nearly every quality that beginners need. Low maintenance, drought tolerance, adaptability to low light, pest resistance, and long-lasting beauty. New plant owners often lose confidence after struggling with demanding plants, but the ZZ plant offers a much higher chance of success. Its forgiving nature allows beginners to learn essential plant care skills without constant frustration. Even if mistakes happen, the plant can often recover and continue thriving. This resilience makes it an excellent teacher for anyone developing a green thumb. By starting with a ZZ plant, many people discover that caring for plants can be enjoyable, rewarding, and far easier than they initially imagined. The ZZ plant has earned its reputation as one of the best houseplants in the world, and it's easy to see why. From surviving low light and drought conditions to adding elegance and greenery to any space, this remarkable plant offers benefits that suit almost every lifestyle. Whether you're a complete beginner, a busy professional, or a dedicated plant lover, the ZZ plant provides beauty and reliability with very little effort. If you're looking for a houseplant that practically takes care of itself while transforming your indoor space, this could be the perfect choice. Which ZZ plant benefit impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing plant tips and inspiration. See you in the next video!